Oh yeah, naghang yung phone ko. Ang luma na ng phone ko, guys. Here, oh, I'm gonna show you, Yeah, nag-open na siya. This is Huawei P10. Nung pag-release ng Huawei, binili ko siya kasi luma na din yung phone ko, so... And then, I think 4 years na to siya. 4 years na to sa akin. So, ayan. Yung battery niya, tumaba na. So, yan. Ang naghang na naman siya, guys. So, naghang siya. My God. Ano na? Balik ako, ha? Balik ako. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Teamyayabz family, and Ayra here. And this video will be a makeup review for a brand here in our country, Philippines. And before anything else, if you haven't checked the video that we posted previously about this bedroom setup, just check it right now. Maybe I'm gonna post it here on the side. And then, it's actually a do-it-yourself vlog. And, kulang pa siya. So, I'm gonna update you guys for that complete bedroom setup. Yes. So, ayan, naka-concealer and eyebrows lang. And then, nag-lip balm na ako. And, here, I got 4 items here. Yeah. But yung isa may box, yung isa wala. Hindi ko alam. Later na. Here, I got 4 items. So, I'm gonna do it right now. Ayan, so we're gonna start again kasi nagloko-loko yung phone ko. And nag-download na lang ako galing sa computer, from computer to phone. Yan, start na lang again tayo, guys.
Very first BLK Universe.
I'm gonna put Anne here, okay?
So I'm really excited, and it's perfect timing because I do have a Zoom meeting today, so I have to fix myself up a little bit. So let's get started. First up, I'll do my skincare. I like to use the Josie Maran 100% argan oil.
Just gonna fix
put maybe
oilin ko na.
1, 2.
Ang ganda ng argan oil. I wanna try it too, but I think just have to use it when it's nighttime. It's a night routine. Kasi mainit yung Philippines.
And then I have
if may aircon ka, maganda siya.
And then I just put a little bit.
Kaya ko lang nalaman na meron palang eye oil.
And then my fave product, which is the Illuminating Skin Tint Sun Shield.
Yan yung hindi ko binili.
SPF 30. And,
kasi hindi ako fan ng mga illuminating tint screen or mga foundation.
We gave this a glow up. So
kasi
it has a bit of a sheen, a little bit of shimmer, which you will see. So what shade do I use? I actually use 2 shades. I use vanilla and butterscotch, and I will show you why I use 2. So we'll start with vanilla.
2 colors pala yung ilalagay
I'm
mo sa
going
face.
to use vanilla. Since I don't use concealer, I just use the skin tint. And I use a lighter shade under my eyes like that.
Parang yung lighter shade, parang concealer, no? Kasi concealers are need to be brighter than the foundation. Or lighter color than the foundation.
And then, with my fingers, I'm just gonna blend.
I hope naintindihan niyo ako, guys. First time ko mag-review ng makeup, so bear with me! There you go. Concealer and nag-eyebrows lang ako.
And the glow. And
okay ba yung eyebrows ko? Parang hindi, no? Retouch ko na lang siya mamaya.
Which is contouring. So this is from our very first collection, our BLK Universal collection. Which is Coco. It's our
I ordered that one too.
So much.
Coco. Or wait. I'll just explain something. Kanina, nakagano na siya, nakalabas siya. Ganyan ba talaga? Nakalabas na? Yan dumikit siya. So, ganito ba talaga? Baka tingnan natin Baka ganito siya. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try it. Oh my gosh. Ay, kulang siya ng push. Kulang siya ng push. Okay. And then may ano na siya. Kasi lumabas na siya, kaya may mga patches ganyan Ganyan. Okay lang. Ganyan dapat. Yung pag-open mo, ganyan Tada! Ganyan dapat. Hindi yung nakalabas na. So, I'm gonna put cocoa on here.
And then I just use my fingers.
I hope sana. Ganito. I hope tama yung ginawa. She actually used her
Since it is a multitasking
Wait,
color stick.
Oh my God. Here. Oh, I forgive my nails. Then, I think bagay yung color sa skin ko. There you go. Hindi ako marunong mag-contour, but bahala na si Lord.
I also use
So,
the shade cocoa
nagay siya sa
on my
eyelids.
eyes. That's my eyeshadow.
Uy, bra. Blush ka na? So, yung consistency niya, I think, wait, Anne. Ito, madali siyang maubos. So, hinihinay lang kayo sa paggamit. Kasi makapal yung consistency niya. And, yan. Makapal yung makukuha. Makapal yung didikit sa face niyo. So, yes. Next, she's gonna use the
on my
Margarita.
blush. So this is a new shade, a new
multitasking
color of our
stick.
multitasking color stick.
For her
And this is Margarita.
blush.
We had two new colors.
As blush.
The other one is Mimosa. This is Margarita. And what's not shown here is
I only ordered
mattifying
Margarita. Meron pa yung
stick,
isang color.
which is
Ito din. Wait, mag-explain ako So, ito din kanina. Nakaganyan na siya. Kaya, ito Maybe I'm gonna put a clip here later. See? Nagtatanggal talaga siya. Bakit? Na naman. Maybe because Bakit, guys? Ganyan. Bakit? See? Natatanggal talaga siya. Tingnan, klaro ba? Yung parang ganun, I need to push her. Maybe that's one of the negative side kapag cream stick. Yeah. Hindi mo siya makokontrol. Then let's
So
start
this is Margarita,
with the
and
blush.
I'll use that as my blush.
Just like that?
Just
like
like
an Indian.
So cute.
Parang mga Indian dito lalagay. Dito talaga. Fresh.
And then another new product in this
Makapal talaga
collection
yung
is our eyebrow
consistency.
gel.
Thick
And we
talaga
have
yung
two shades. We have taupe and we have
yung
natural
creaminess
brown.
niya.
And I'm going to use the darker shade.
The brows. Did I order brows? Oh! I ordered the brow! Mascara. Ba't naglagay na ako? Tanggalin ko mamaya yung not the eyebrows. I'm gonna take off the color para makita nyo yung hindi na siya nag-color nag-brow mascara na lang siya. Okay, sakto ba yung ginagawa ko? Ayan. Lagay ko dito. Para ganyan. Uy, maganda yung color. I like it. So, I think kulang dito na side. Wait, guys. Wait and please. It's actually my first time to shave. Nagharapiyok lang mo, day, to have a cream blush or a cream stick. Yeah. More on powder yung mga blushes. Ayan. So, I think I need to take off these. Or, yeah, para makita ko yung color ng brow mascara, right? So, I'll be back. So, ayan, tinanggal ko na yung eyebrow colors and para makita natin yung effect talaga ng brow mascara nila. And I chose the color taupe, yeah, because of my hair color. Para bagay siya, diba? So, okay, we're gonna play now Anne Curtis,
which is taupe.
So, eyebrow gel. Ganda ng applicator, oh.
Face powder.
Wait and wait. My God.
It's from a
Manipis yung kilay ko,
very
so
first
I
collection.
hope
This eyelash curler is my favorite. It's
mag-add siya
Sailor
ng
Moon.
strands, no?
So cute. Fighting evil by moonlight, living life by daylight.
Sailor Moon? Ayan.
For my mascara, I'm using the BLK.
Yung eyebrow
My
color ko
Christmas
kanina
mascara,
was
which is our
taupe
Little
from
Luxuries
Everbelen.
collection,
Yung
which was
slim
our
stick
Christmas
nila,
collection.
yung mga slim. Na round yung tip. No, I did not order a mascara. Only a brow gel. There. I'm
the
just gonna
final
finish
step,
it later kasi
And
manipis talaga yung
for
kilay.
one of my favorite
Pero ang
pieces
ganda ng
from
color,
our
oh.
BLK
Color
Universal
talaga
2.0
yung
collection is
hairs.
our lipstick, which is called the BLK Lip Switch. I'm super
Yeah, I
excited about
have.
this product.
And the
because-
color that I
and
got
I'm very
is
passionate about it
macchiato,
because
like
it is
her.
our step towards
Like
being
the one
an
she's
eco-friendly
gonna
brand.
use.
As we are
And
going
meron
to be
siyang
recycling the
impress.
refills.
Ang
So
ganda.
let me show you what I'm
I
talking
took a
about.
video
So this is the
for
BLK
this
Lip Switch.
Kasi mawawala
And
na
what's
siya.
great about
Lalagay
this
ko.
is that
Refills?
it has refills.
How? Oh, wow!
And
It's
it comes in
amazing!
packaging like this.
And but I
And
ordered
basically what
one
happens
color
is
only.
when you
So
want to switch
Ay!
the lipstick color that you want to use for the day, you just take it out and then you put in the lipstick that you want to use.
Amazing,
so
guys.
I'm going to be using Macchiato today. I'm just going to put that in like that.
this one helps our
Ang ganda.
environment, no? Para
And it's so cute. Oh, you can't see it anymore.
para di
Let me find a lipstick I haven't used yet. But yeah, so it's so cute because it has a BLK
kita ba yung
imprint.
imprint?
So I'm using Macchiato
There.
today.
Kita na. There. There. So I'm gonna try macchiato.
Love it. And then I'm gonna put my hair down. And that's my look for my Zoom meeting. And I forgot to mention what's great about the BLK Lip Switch is that when you return any of your refills in your stores to be recycled,
Ganda ng
you get
color.
10% off your next purchase. Yay.
That's a great idea.
Thanks, guys.
That's a great campaign to help our environment. I ordered this kind of color kasi wala akong ganito. Yan! Ganda! Bagay. So, I'm just gonna retouch my eyebrows and I'm gonna be right back, guys. So, see you later! So, we're back with our final look. With our BLK Cosmetics Philippines 2.0 collection. Oh my gosh, wala akong masay. Ang ganda ng products nila. Yun lang yung cons ko, yung parang nag-melt siya kaya nalabas yung stick. Anyways, beside that, wala na akong masay. And then, perfect yung colors na kinumbay ni Anne dito. Ganda. Oh my gosh, Anne Curtis na ba? So, we're gonna make it fast. Ganda talaga. Hola, amiga. Charot. So, nagmascara na ako with the Maybelline. Yung blue color. Hindi ko na alam yung name. So, yes. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Teamyayabz. Ayra here. And click the notification bell button. And share nyo yung mga videos namin. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye!
Don't bring me, yeah, but I'm not. But I'm as a serves as a